Welcome to the future of crypto trading. Welcome to WaveBot. The WaveBot Toolkit gives you full access to a revolutionary system that's designed to generate daily profits in crypto on Autopilot. Setting up is fast and simple. With our step-by-step instructions, you'll have your first campaign live in under 2 hours. And guess what? There's no limit. Set up as many profit-generating campaigns as you want. You'll also get access to our fast start video training to get WaveBot running in no time. Plus, our top 20 favorite coins to kickstart your income streams immediately. No technical experience? No problem. WaveBot is designed for everyone. Our members come from all over the world. Many were total beginners, and now they're seeing real results. That's not all. Alongside WaveBot, you'll unlock access to our premium trade alerts. These alerts provide precise buy and sell signals based on years of proven success, with an incredible 84% win rate. Simply copy and paste our ready-made trades, let them execute, and watch the profits roll in. With zero trading experience required, anyone can start transforming their capital into serious profits. Ready to master crypto? Crypto Code University is your training hub, featuring 92 in-depth lessons across 3 groundbreaking courses. From absolute beginners to advanced strategies like the Bitcoin 4-year cycle and professional trading setups, we've got it all. You'll gain the skills to navigate the entire crypto ecosystem with confidence, no stone left unturned. Need personal guidance? Join our crypto mastermind and connect with expert coaches, Joel, Adam, and the entire team. From real-time trade alerts to one-on-one coaching, we've helped thousands profit, and we'll help you too. As a WaveBot member, you're invited to our exclusive Crypto Secrets Bootcamp, a 3-day live stream event packed with insider tactics and face-to-face sessions with experts who've made millions in crypto. Can't attend live? Don't worry, you'll also get the full recordings so you won't miss a single life-changing insight. You'll also receive our VIP Portfolio Pass exclusive access to Joel and Adam's personal crypto portfolio. You'll see exactly what they're investing in and get real-time notifications when they make moves in the market. Plus, our Power Indicators bundle will give you real-time alerts on when to buy, sell, and lock in profits. Forget about the guesswork. These indicators analyze dozens of market factors so you don't have to. And if you're looking for even more, get ready for WaveBot DEX, the world's first decentralized automated crypto trading platform. Coming soon to members only, WaveBot DEX will unlock the full potential of decentralized exchanges. Take your results to the next level with the combined power of WaveBot and DEX, giving you privacy, security, and profit potential beyond centralized exchanges. So what are you waiting for? The WaveBot Toolkit is your all-in-one solution to crypto success. With fast start training, premium trade alerts, mastermind access, and so much more, it's time to take control of your financial future. Get started today. Join the WaveBot revolution and watch your crypto profits soar.